Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm gonna be doing some Caribbean spam or Caribbean spam. And I've got this spice mix from the Real 11T. It's a Caribbean or Caribbean spice for spam. Actually, he actually wrote for spam on there. It's funny. So I'm also gonna be doing some boiling bag Uncle Ben's rice to go with it, because why not? I've got 2 stoves set up, and let's get going. Alrighty, so I got the Primus stove on the butane stove adapter, which is right here, butane. I'm actually going to be running dual stoves here, so get this fired up. Why is it doing that? Wow. Stubborn. So we're going to get that water up to a boil. Which is going to take the longest. Okay, so bad news. I noticed that the table wasn't quite level, so I was trying to move this over to here to be flat, and I spilled all my water, which is all the water I have, so there will be no rice. I'm just bummed I didn't get it on video. So much for that. Damn. So I guess I'll just fry up the spam and eat it. Yeah, so that totally sucked. So, get that going. Get the spam out. Where's my spice? Oh, right there. I can't believe I spilled my water. What a klutz. If I just made sure that the stove was flat, it wouldn't have happened. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the package open lengthwise, because I want to sprinkle on the seasoning. You can see that, kind of, sort of. Lower. Yeah. is seasoned. Notice how it cooks on the outside. Towards the center it gets hotter, the outside is lighter. I might turn them again. And this one, a little nice turn. I'll flip them again here in a bit. Smells pretty good. This seasoning smells good. Real good. Let's get some really nice color on it. Look at that. Real nice color. Keeping the flame nice and low so I can do other things off camera while I'm cooking, so it doesn't get burnt. If it burns, spam would be bad spam. Kill the heat. Got the I think it's called the Uko switch. Kind of brain farting right now. I'm a little annoyed about the water, but I did it to myself. Although there is a restroom nearby, I could have gone over and gotten more water. And I thought about it right as the spam was getting cooked. It's alright though. Yeah, let's go ahead and cut it all up. Alright. Alrighty. Here we go. Caribbean spam. You know, I'll say this, the seasoning is really good. Kind of hot. Whew. Gotta say, I think I just became a fan of spam right here on camera. It was actually really good. I'm a little bummed about the rice, but it's my fault. What are you gonna do other than adjust your camera because it's crooked? It's still crooked. I need like a little leveling thing. All right, well, I actually have some spam videos written down. I think I got like one, but I think it's spam and eggs. A viewer suggested. I think I'm gonna actually enjoy that now because that was actually pretty good. Or I'm just really hungry, but I'm gonna making that again. As always, sucks about the rice, but what are you gonna do? Thanks for watching. Check out Real 11. Excuse me. Real 11T is link to his channel will be in the description. And we'll catch you on the next one. Wow.